Okay, so I'm going to show you a card trick that I learned. Okay, first I'm going to show you the card trick, and then I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so first you tell the spectator to pick a card. Doesn't matter which one. So let's say they pick this one, which is the 5 of diamonds. Okay, if you can't see it right, sorry for the quality, but so then what you do is you just lay it down right here, and then just put out some cards. Then you're gonna ask them to point to one of these piles. So let's say they point to this one. So you put their card on top of there. Just gather up all the cards. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you your card. And then you'd throw it down and ask if that was their card. And that's the 5 of diamonds right there. If you can't see it, I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so there's no setup, but you are going to want to know what the bottom card is. So before you do it, just shuffle up the cards. And then while you're shuffling, you just take a little peek at the bottom, and this time it's the ace of spades. And then so you ask them what pick a card. Let's say they pick this card, the queen of diamonds. Okay, so then you just lay their card right there. Doesn't matter what card they pick, just any card. And then so you don't know what their card is, but you just keep thinking in your head ace of spades. So it doesn't matter how many you lay out, you just want to put down a good amount in each pile. You don't want to lay them out like this. You want to make sure the cards get under it. If you know what I'm talking about, it's kind of hard to explain. So then you ask them to pick a pile, any pile. It doesn't matter which one, but you're hoping you know that the bottom card is in this last pile right here. So you're hoping they don't pick this pile, and if they do, just kind of set it to the one next to it. But so let's say they pick this pile, okay? So then what you're going to want to do is you put a few under it, but make sure not to put this one under it. Then after you put a few under it, you just make sure your ace of spades gets on top of their card. And then you just put 1 or 2 piles above it. And now you just start flipping over cards. And then you're going to kind of go a little bit slow at first, and you're just going to keep flipping over cards and just keep flipping them over until you see the ace of spades, which is the card at the bottom. Until you see that card, then you know that the next card is their card. So now I know that your card is the queen of diamonds. So now I can forget the ace of spades, and now I keep on thinking in my head, queen of diamonds. So I just put a few more in this pile, and then on the next pile I spell out queen of diamonds. So QUEENDIAMONDS. So then I just finish them out. And I just throw them there. Okay, so then you pick up the pile that you spelt queen of diamonds in, and and then square them out, and then pick up the pile with their card in it, and then put it under the one you spelt queen of diamonds with, and then just put the rest under. And then here, this is the last part, you spell out queen of diamonds. So QUEENOFDIAMONDS, and then there's their card. Okay, so there we go. Now you know the awesome card trick that I just showed you. So, yeah.